Lesson check. Seasons. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. Seasonal temperature changes are caused by the blank of the Earth's axis as it revolves around the sun. Straightness or tilt. Figure 1. Earth's tilt. Northern Hemisphere, winter. Use Figure 1 to help answer the following questions. Number 2. Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of blank degrees from the vertical. 25 degrees, 23 degrees, 23.5 degrees. Number 3. When Earth's north axis is pointed away from the sun, the season is blank in the northern hemisphere. Summer, winter, spring, or fall. Number 4. The Earth's equator is always hot, high temperatures, because it receives blank, concentrated sunlight all year. Indirect or direct? Number 5. The Earth's north and south poles are always cold, low temperatures because they receive blank, spread out or angled sunlight all year. Indirect or direct? Number 6. Either of the 2 days of the year which the sun reaches its greatest distance from the equator is called equinox or solstice. Number 7. Either of the 2 days of the year which neither hemisphere is tilted towards or away from the sun is called equinox or solstice. Figure 2. This is showing the northern hemisphere's seasons. Number 8. Use Figure 2 to answer the following question. The season for the northern hemisphere shown at position C, which is over here, is blank. Hint, look at how the north axis is tilted in relation to the sun. So the sun's in the middle here. Summer, winter, spring, or fall. Number 9. Use Figure 2 to answer the following question. The season for the northern hemisphere shown at position A is blank. Hint, look at how the north axis is tilted in relation to the sun. So position A is over here. Look at the way the northern hemisphere is tilted. Is it summer, winter, spring, or fall? And number 10. Use Figure 2 to answer the following question. The season for the northern hemisphere shown at position D is blank. Hint, look at how the north axis is tilted in relation to the sun and the direction of the orbit path. So position D is over this way. So is it summer, winter, spring, or fall?